Okay, now question number 7. It goes like this. 8 men can plow a field in 10 hours. How long will it take 4 men if they are to work at the same rate? Okay, we need to understand something. This is a proportion. This is a question under proportion, and we have two types of proportion. We have direct proportion, we have inverse proportion. Which one is direct proportion? Direct proportion is a situation in which when one quantity increases, the other quantity will also increase. For example, now, the price of this pen, let's say it's 50 naira or 100 naira. One is 100 naira, two will be 200 naira. So as the number of pens increase, the price will also increase. This is a direct proportion. So which one is inverse or indirect proportion? Is a situation whereby when one quantity increases, the other one will decrease. That is the opposite. Or when one decreases, the other one will increase. For example, speed. As the speed increases, the time taken to reach a particular place will decrease. The time will decrease. So it's an inverse proportion. Just like this one. If 8 men can finish or can plow a field in 10 hours, so what do you think if the number of men decrease? So definitely the number of hours will increase. This one is an inverse proportion. So now just say solution. Okay. So 8 men is how many hours? 8 hours. So just say 8. So 10 hours. Okay. So 4 men will be x. So just say over. Okay. So since this is an inverse proportion, we are going to turn one of them, meaning 8 over 4 is equals to, we can change this to be 4 over 8 equals to 10 over x, or we say 8 over 4 equal to x over 10. X over 10. Why do we change it? Because it's an inverse proportion. So the opposite, that's why we take the opposite of the other one. Okay, we cross multiply. So 8 times 10 will give us 80, which is equal to 4 times x will give us 4x. So since we are looking for the x, so we divide by 4, divide through by 4. This and this will go, so we are left with our x equals 4 here 1, 4 here is 2. We take the 0 up, which is now 20. So we now see 20 hours. Even from the question, we'll be able to detect that 8 men can spend 10 hours. So half of 10, so you double that, 10 times 2, and which is 20 hours.